we go to a famous story. Like daycare story is one of the famous, and I never played that story. Well, and I was like, what is the story? Oh yeah, it's supposed to call brother. Call him ugly. For my ice cream, no, you're not jumping. I'm just standing there. Bro, I just got banned. What is that? It's not a ban, it's just a disconnection. Leave or reconnect.
Me no, but you yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm literally here.
I got banned.
Oh
You doing what?
You always got banned.
Hello? That's what I always think of. Daycare. This is one of the most famous ones.
No. What is daycare?
Daycare. And they say this for all ages. And that creepy monster that just goes around. Like, bro, what's that?
I need to run.
I should have said also a creepy one that's called Don't Sleep. And it says all ages. And it's a monster. Bro, what is that game?
It in the fire. Yes, some fire monster.
Oh my god, what is
Fire
that?
monster.
Yeah, just a rage. I mean, really just rage quit.
I don't like fire monsters.
So you just rage quit. So you can talk about anything about that game. Rage quit. You're rage. I hate spam jumpers and rage quitters. Why are we rage? Like, bro, why are you going behind?
Where are you? I don't see you here. I'm a baby.
Can you please? You're not a baby.
I'm spam jumping. I'm a baby. Look at me. My leg doesn't touch the floor. No?
Follow me. You see me?
Yeah.
What is
Yes.
it? Come on.
What?
Where am I
Okay.
supposed to go? Oh, it's inside. There. What?
Here.
Go inside.
Here.
I'm in.
Okay.
Yes.
There's another person with us.
Yeah, so we don't lose the track. I have no idea how to play.
That's two persons.
It's my brother. When we see a monster behind him, he dies. He rage quit.
No, I run.
I need 6
That's two
players.
person. They say no, and the one person.
Bro.
Oh.
I have 6.
One,
1, 2,
4
3, 4, 5, 6.
4. With me. There's 6 person now.
People are really patient. Oh no, I left.
Jose.
I'm not going in. Thank God, just in time for it.
Jose, put in first person. I like first person. I can see.
Oh my God, why are people rage quitting?
Now there's a lot of persons more.
Brother.
Yeah,
I can know which one.
Everyone is
Sometimes
joining.
I forgot my first name. Let's call him brother.
Joining.
Yeah, people have some patience. This girl behind me has a
Someone
lot
is
of patience.
removing and putting.
That's what I said. So let me talk about him. But let's wait.
Oh my God, there's a...
We're going.
That's it.
Yeah, it's the queen boss.
The king boss. I'm the king boss.
I do not know what it is. Just a second, I don't know.
La música. The music, guys.
What is that outfit?
I'm running.
It's not even an outfit. Wait,
It's
is the girl
Sarah.
here called Sarah? Because I always see her on YouTube and
Sarah.
tried to play it, but I always
No, this girl is like to play with me. This person played to me. Oh
It's
my
called
God,
Sarah.
this is a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's... Okay, you can see that outfit in real life. Like, where did one of those people see that outfit in real
That's a
life?
dinosaur. I didn't like.
Oh, it's
like
called
that.
Lily. I thought it was called
I
Sarah.
didn't like.
Oh, that's chapter 2. Okay.
I'm
We're looking
up with
after you
you.
on the next
I'm
two days.
with you. I'm literally with you.
Ahora, bichitos. Wait, did I just double jump? No.
Okay.
I'm so small.
Let's go in the house.
I look like a 5-year-old, just like you. Okay. And the dinosaur looks like
house.
11.
Guys, let's play.
So 5 people. The first thing I'm gonna do is
Let's go to play.
oh, I was going to my room.
Let's go to the place.
I'm
going to the slide. I'm going to the
there.
slide. I'm hiding. You can hide. You can look for me.
Poor artist.
Let me grab that. Cool.
I can't play.
Oh,
Wait, we can go outside.
Alejandro, I found the band.
That's the best.
I found the band. Okay. I found the band. Literally found the band. And you can tell me. Whoa, I'm going outside. Ow, ow.
Okay.
I wanted to go outside.
I already went outside. No, I'm hungry.
We can still go outside.
You see me hungry, but I'm not hungry in the real. In the real life, I'm not hungry.
I'm not so hungry.
Ah, Pixar. Let's go with Pixar.
So,
Ah.
let's go, Alejandro. Let's go to the dining place.
I hope someone picks the sandwich.
Over here. See the purple one. I love this.
They have their own. Sit down, boy. All right.
I'll be my sister.
It looks like it's working.
I love
Oh, tacos won. Oh yeah, I very love tacos. Love. But if it's from Taco Bell, no. I will not eat that thing. Yeah, well, did she just went over there? Where is she?
I don't know. I want tacos.
She's right here, just standing.
I want tacos.
So why are you standing?
I want tacos. Give me tacos.
Yeah, this card makes no sense.
Tacos.
It just told me off. Oh! You delivered. Do you know how to
Let's
cook?
go to house. Let's go upstairs.
What?
I'm scared.
Yay! That's me! Yeah!
I don't like
I can't even care about tacos.
I don't
Yeah.
like tacos.
That makes no sense. I don't even care about tacos. I like more pizza. I'm not eating this.
No.
I'm saving it for later.
When I'm hungry, I'm going to eat it.
I'm waiting for the chicken. What happened?
No, let's go to the place more better. I'm going to go to the slide.
Bro, I can't get burned.
Alejandro, let's go to the slide. Whee!
Okay.
I like the slide.
Bro, I just went into my house.
Alejandro, come. I found a vent.
Oh, I was about to grab a sword.
I was about to go to the vent.
Oh, it's like a kid.
There's a vent up here. A vent.
Now we want to play. No, we want to play. Yeah. Yeah, that's what my brother said. Yes. Hey, what's this with me? You both want to play. Alright. You'll stay awake.
I'm playing
God.
with this.
What?
I'm going to play with this.
Oh. You paint. Let me paint. Beautiful. When I said to sleep, I ain't going to disturb anybody. Stop, bank. I'm sleeping. Please fuck me. When did I do that? At first, right now, falling tower.
Wait.
You sure I just went outside?
I'm going upstairs.
I can't see anything.
I'm just going upstairs.
Oh, dude, what is that? What is that outside?
Oh my god, the monster!
What do you think? What do you think is outside? Monster, run! What do you think we do? Run! Why does it stop the monster? Like he can't do anything. I can just slap his face, and he will die. He would just grab a knife from the kitchen and cut his head. Bro, people have no brain to make games. Now I ain't gonna go into that one.
Ow!
Meanwhile, the quiet kid. This is practically the quiet kid that when there's a monster. Just plays. What is that? Hello, run.
I'm gonna die!
Look, jump!
Ah!
You're so lucky that thing did not catch you. This is the quiet kid. Just plays around. Like, bro. When it's a monster, the quiet kid just plays around. Go, run! So lucky. And I don't you dare go downstairs. Did you go downstairs? The monster can't jump. I know. I just thought the monster knew this. Bro, did not climb. I'm sabotage.
I almost died!
Bro, I'm sabotaging myself. But this is the quiet kid sabotaging.
Okay, I'm so hungry. I'm going to die.
Just eat.
No, my food.
I can't.
What did I die?
Hey, dude, there was a monster attacking us. What? Monster attacking us? Que susto. No. No.
There
Girl,
was
you're so
monsters,
lucky.
and he almost killed me.
How did I move this
Oh
thing
my
in my
god.
thing?
I said there was monsters and he almost killed me.
Monsters and they almost killed me.
I'm going upstairs. What's upstairs? Sit here. Yeah, we can sit together. Where is your legs? I don't know where your legs. And my legs look. What are you typing?
I don't know. I don't know. What did I get up? Oh my god. I'm gonna lose health. You know. Since you did. I was going in first person and
I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh my god, not again. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my god. Like, you are almost dead. You're about to die. Blue is a rage quitter.
I almost died. Bye. I almost died. I almost died. Okay, chapter 2. I'm going to play it. What are you playing? You're playing chapter 1.
Yeah.
I'm going to play chapter 2. Let's play chapter 1. Let's play chapter 2. Let's play chapter 2. Let's play chapter 2.
Mi hermano se ha quitado.
Let's play chapter 2. I'll watch you in chapter 2. Yes, everyone else.
Oh.
Yeah, here. You still have your taco? I didn't have a taco.
Like Pam pancake.
I said, please come, I'm a kid. Come on, I'm drop in this game. Don't play
Pancakes.
that. What?
You're gonna have fun, right? Like, bro. Whoa, I love pancakes. I did not real. I never tasted pancakes. What do
O
they
sea,
taste like?
esta es otra. Pero otra
I
mamá.
only tasted chocolate pancakes. I never tasted the real
Alejandra,
one.
Pero la otra es más divertida.